After becoming part of Pakistan in 1947, no one is safe. Mr. President, why is Pakistan's Secret Service ISI abducting thousands of Sindhis?
बांग्लादेश के बाद अब सिंधु देश का मुतालबा जोर पकड़ता गया। सिंध के मुनव्वर लिगारी ने अक़वामे मुतहदा में बड़ा भारी मुतालबा कर दिया।
Thank you, Mr. President. Sindh has historically been very unique place on earth. Sindh was a safe place for Hindus, Muslims, Jews, Buddhists, Sikhs, Parsis, Sufis, Ahmadis, Baha'is and Christians. After becoming part of Pakistan in 1947, no one is safe. Mr. President, why is Pakistan's Secret Service ISI abducting thousands of Sindhis? United Nations must ask Pakistan, where are 17 years Aqib Chandio, the artist Shahid Jonejo, the writer Gulshed Taggar, the innocent Insaf Dayo? Mr. President, the other critical issue is forced conversion, forced marriages of Sindhi Hindu girls ages 11 to 28 years. Young Sindhi Hindu girls forcefully converted to Islam. More than 1,000 girls are abducted every year. Their daughters gone forever. Mr. President, another issue is extrajudicial killings. Thousands of Sindhis have been murdered by Pakistan ISI. Why they kill Bashir Qureshi, Nazir Abbasi, Benazir Bhutto, Muzaffar Bhutto, Dr. Anwar Lagari? Mr. President, Sindhi people are asking for peace, justice and freedom. As an advocate of human rights, I requested the United Nations to appoint a special envoy to raise the Sindh question with Pakistan. Thank you, Mr. President.